Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's start with Nasdaq, and as you can see, we have pulled back above the neckline, what I consider to be the neckline, out of this sort of head and shoulder pattern. That's good. So as long as we are above this neckline, I'm sort of bullish on Nasdaq. We might go back up anytime now. So we touched the 50-day EMA. In fact, we had a week, but the daily candle closed above there. This is suggesting me that we are on our way to the 20-day EMA. This light blue line here, 16,119. So we are probably there, on our way there. If we break above, then off we go. We will continue this bull trend. Let's go over to Sp500. So this is the daily chart on the Sp500. We are spending time around the 50-day EMA right now, sitting on it. That's a very good sign. We had a huge red candle to the downside, then a big green candle to the upside above. So we came back above the 50-day EMA. That's a very bullish sign for me. Bulls are very strong on the Sp500. And right now we are spending time here. This is telling me that sooner or later we are going to go back to the 20-day EMA at 4,620. Should we break above there, then off we go. This bullish uptrend is going to continue. So I'm more, even though we are down here, I'm more bullish than bearish on the Sp500. Dow Jones. Dow Jones, we are way down below the 50-day EMA. In fact, the 20-day EMA is crossing the 50-day EMA. That's not a good sign. Dow Jones needs to get back above the 50-day EMA in order for me to turn bullish again on Dow Jones. But we have way to go. We are not there yet. Going over to Germany, this is the daily chart on the German index. So we are down below the 50-day EMA, and that's not good. 20-day EMA crossed the 50-day EMA to the downside. It's also bearish, but we are probably creating a sort of bottom pattern here. Now, let's see. I think sooner or later we are going to get back to the 50-day EMA, and then if we break above there, then that's a bullish sign for me. So the 50-day EMA right now is at 15,685. I think we are on our way there, and let's see what happens there. We may be rejected, but then if we break above, and then I think we can continue this bull trend. Going over to Japan, Nikkei, the Japanese index on the daily chart. So there's the Japanese index. I had this support zone. Of course, we bounced back up, and right now I think the same is true here. We should be on our way to the 50-day EMA. Once we break above there, then we can continue this bull trend. Of course, we have this area of resistance here. We need to break above there also, but I do think we are on our way to 28,965, 20-day EMA 28,777. I think both are good targets. Sooner or later we will get there if we do not break below this area. So the stop loss should be below the last weeks here. Let's go over to Russel. That's the daily chart on Russel, and we have way to go up to the 20 and 50-day EMA. 50-day EMA is the most important thing here right now. 2,290, somewhere there. We need to break above there in order for us to turn bullish, but I think sooner or later we will get to the 50-day EMA on Russel. Let's go over to India, Nifty. the Indian index. That's the daily chart, and here we touched the 20-day EMA, which is very good. I think I shared with you that sooner or later we are going to go up, and exactly that's what happened. 17,515 we got rejected, but I think we will soon start our way to the 50-day EMA. 17,636 we might be rejected there as well. Spend some time here between the indices and then break above there. Once we break above there, then probably the bulls are going to continue their way to the upside. That's all for now. See you next time.